erase it.
Struggle to keep, erase, or share your work? Now you can have the chance to win a free digital whiteboard. Step 1. Draw a Gouldian finch on a chalkboard or whiteboard. Step 2. Take a picture. Step 3. Post your picture on Instagram. Step 4. Add hashtag #MyChalkboardArt. It's that easy. Save the hassles associated with a traditional whiteboard. Now you can share and engage with your audience with ease. Come and claim the prize for your classroom. For details and prizes, visit chalkboardart.org now.